Hello. Today I have a 2014 Jeep Cherokee, the SRT, and I'm trying to replace the motor mount. I've seen many videos about to remove the alternator and the EC compressor, but after I removed the alternator, then I stuck with the bolt on top and the bolt on the other side of the motor mount. So I figured out the easy way is to jack up the car and take uh, the plastic cover off, and it's easy to take it off from here with this wrench, 15mm wrench, and the other one also. I have so many like all sizes, trying to make it easy. So me, this one also. So what I did, I can remove this. I already removed it, and I put the other one on also, the new one on. So you can remove this 15mm bolt from here, and the other one, very easy to get it from this side. Also this one over here, you can remove it from here and from the other side, and the top bolt also, you can reach it with the 15mm flex wrench. You can put it on top over here and start to loosen it. That's what I did. Only this one I removed the alternator for the top center bolt. What's holding the motor mount, the passenger side from the top. I didn't try to reach it from here because I already took the alternator off. So this is the easiest way. So you might can remove the alternator only for the center top bolt, but it's easy to get this done from the bottom if you jack up the engine from here, and then you have the way to remove the mount, take it off from the bottom this way. This one you're gonna take it out that way, very easy, and put the other one on. And before you tie them, you just want to make sure to center the top bolt inside the hole when you lower this on it, and then you start to put your bolts back. That's the easiest way for me. That'll be it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just comment below.